Today we're tackling a topic that can be very stressful during an already emotional time: divorce and your mortgage. Now, if you're going through a separation, figuring out what to do with the house and the mortgage that came with it, that can be very overwhelming. But the good news is there are a few options to consider, and we're going to break them down for you today. First, what happens to the mortgage? Let's say you and your ex are both signed the documentation and you're on the loan. In that case, even after the divorce, you're both still on the hook for the debt. And this is why many couples just choose to sell the house rather than refinancing. This can be a clean break, which allows you to split the proceeds and move forward financially independent. But this isn't always a great option, especially if you have children and don't want to uproot them. So if one of you wants to keep the house, there are a couple options. First, you can actually refinance and work with your lender to get a new mortgage solely in your name. This removes your ex from the debt and frees up their credit. Second, with lender approval, you can assume the existing mortgage. Now, this requires you qualifying for the loan on your own, and it works well if you have the funds for the equity buyout to pay your ex the portion of their home value. Now, there are several important considerations to doing this. How are your finances? Can you comfortably afford the house payments on your own? Now, be realistic about your income and expenses because you don't want to be house poor. And how's your credit score? Refinancing or assuming a mortgage often involves a credit check. Make sure your score is in good shape. And the divorce agreement. Does it clearly outline who's responsible for the house and the mortgage in your divorce settlement? This can make a big difference. Navigating a divorce and a mortgage can be complex, so don't hesitate to seek professional help from a financial advisor and a lawyer specializing in family law. They can guide you through the best options for your specific situation. Now, we know this is a difficult time, and we hope this video sheds some light on your mortgage options during a divorce. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more information.